Hello guys, we're back at Tooleys. We are in the dry dock and they are fixing up this Jenny Ann boat. There you go, look at that guys. Yeah. And I don't know how this works. So a boat would come through, obviously this needs to be filled up with water.
Yeah, so effectively the dock itself is a giant bathtub. At least that's the easiest way I've found to explain it. So just past the rolling door, which is just down this side here, that door slides all the way up.
All the way up.
Just on the other side, we'll pop around there in a minute if you want. There is 6 wooden planks laid on top of each other with a tarpaulin over the front. That creates a nice watertight seal. Obviously when that's not there, the dock is full of water. We can drive boats in and out. So what we've done with this one, the dock was full, we drove this one in, tied it up, and then replaced those planks and recreated that seal with the tarpaulin. And then just down the other end, just out of view, hiding behind the boat, there is a giant plug.
Oh, right,
we lift that up, the water runs down the plug hole, through the drain, underneath the canal, in between those 2 buildings over there, and into the River Cherwell just on the other side. We are located quite close to a lock, so a lot of people ask us, why don't we run straight into the lock? Now, to get the real answer to that question, you'd have to travel back in time about 250 years and ask them then. But our working theory is that we have record of when they built the canal. They started up in Coventry, started working down towards Banbury. When they reached Banbury, they actually ran out of money, or they not so much ran out of money, but lost a little bit of funding, so they couldn't actually continue, so they built the boatyard. So the reason we don't run into the bottom of the lock instead of the Cherwell, as we do, is because the dock is older than the lock. There was no lock to run into.
Wow.
And people ask if it's a waste of water, because obviously the canal is a closed system. The water that we have is the only water that we have. There are a few supplementary reservoirs, but not on this section. And in actual fact, 3 locks down from where we're located in Banbury, there's a lock called Knellsbridge Lock. And at Knellsbridge, the Oxford Canal runs straight onto the River Cherwell, and then after that returns straight to the canal. So all of that river water, or all of the canal water rather, that we're putting into the river will eventually meet back up with the canal just a tad further down than it normally would. So there we are.
There you have it guys, absolutely amazing. There's 2 bits of story for you guys. I was not expecting this today, so absolutely amazing. I hope you find this video something that you enjoy. If so, please hit that subscribe. Peace out.